Reyes lines it down the left field line. Fair ball into the corner. Buck comes trotting home. Reyes racing around second, headed for third. And he is out by a bunch. Great throw from Holliday in the corner. With one out, Reyes trying to get to third and get himself 90 feet away, but Holliday from deepest, darkest left field guns him out.
Boy, that's nice hitting by Jose Reyes. Good job by Holliday. Picks it up, and then a perfect one-hop throw to David Freese. You could see the idea. You can't fault Jose. He had that play in front of him. He's doing that all on his own.